She was the coordinator of MDLR. Let's move on now, and still with that case, in fact, former Haryana Minister Gopal Kanda, who is accused of abetting the suicide of his former employee, will be appearing before the Delhi police today. But it seems the owner of the now defunct airlines, MDLR, he will not go down without a fight. Perhaps as a last-ditch defense, a former colleague of Geetika Sharma has come forth to defend Kanda. Nipul Mehta almost gives him a clean sheet, saying that he was a good employer and that there was no bitterness between Geetika and Kanda. But what she doesn't explain is why she has a bruised eye and she waited so long for this defense to come forth.
How long have you known Geetika and what was the relationship that you had with her?
Mridula, I have known her since the year 2006, when I first joined MDLR Airlines as the Senior VP Corporate Communications of the company. And she came to, we had taken out an article in the newspaper to interview the air hostesses to recruit certain crew, and she came for the interview, and I remember very well that I took her interview, and she was very well suited for our criteria of being a cabin crew. And we could not keep her as a cabin crew that time. We couldn't appoint her because she was underage. She was 17, and we took her as a trainee, and within 6 months she was given the appointment letter of a cabin crew as she turned 18. I remember she was a very nice girl, very good charactered, very efficient in her work, and that is why we all really liked her in the company.
Was it a very big shock for you when you heard in the papers, when you heard from friends that she had indeed committed suicide and that she took an extreme step due to some harassment by her former bosses?
It is completely unbelievable. I still have to pinch myself to make myself believe if the news is true, but having said that, it was not expected out of her, because we all knew her as a very strong-headed person, very grounded person, responsible, efficient, and such an act out of her was not accepted and was not believable. Now, having said that, she's already committed suicide. My condolences from my true heart are with her family. I completely understand how her brother, mother, father, entire family members, relatives must be feeling, what they must be going through at this point of time. And I just hope that true justice comes towards Geetika, and I have full confidence in the law and order of this country, in the justice, and I'm sure that right things are going to happen.
She's made some serious allegations, and in fact held your former employer Gopal Kanda as responsible for her death. What do you make of those allegations, having seen them, having heard about them?
Well, the allegations that are put on Mr. Goyal are, I'm completely clueless about it, because I have only known him as the owner of the company, as our boss, and till the time I worked with him for 2 years in the airline company, and also for about 4 or 5 months in the casino, I have never seen any negativities for him or around him. But a girl committing suicide is a big thing, and she leaving his name in the note will definitely have some linkage to the kind of truth that she wanted to tell the world. So I'm sure that the investigating agencies are working on it, and as and when it comes out, the truth will be in front of everyone.